kid here. Maybe, possibly, pretty loud. Never mind. Just try to make it happen. Yeah! You got 15 seconds to get you. Show starts, bro. Everybody sleepy? Wait. Should we just cancel the show? Let's have to be. People, should we cancel the show? Do you want to have some fun? Say yeah! All right, well, let's keep it going. I guess we're ready. Crew, you ready? Do the thing for the people. You ready? Yeah, you ready? You don't seem like you're ready. Prove it. Let me see something. What are you doing? Wait, what? Okay, bouncing. That's not, okay, I'm watching. Yeah, what? Oh, you want me to do the thing? Okay. All right, people of Universal Studios, Singapore. Hey! How you doing? Good to see you. Glad you're healthy here with us. Good times. And we're about to get this thing started like this. Everybody, make some noise! All right, stop that. I want you guys to chill with us and do what we do. That way we'll get the party started together, okay? Everybody follow along. Put your hands in the sky if you're feeling that rhythm truck vibe. Yo, people, wake up! Put your hands in the sky if you're feeling that rhythm truck vibe. Everybody, I'm the DJ. Punk rhythm truck on the freeway. Mic in my hand and I'm playing with the fam. Take it easy. Give them beat so fat. Drum my crew go better. Hey! Nice. Welcome everybody to Rhythm Truck. This is the only place in all of Singapore where we drive the beat into the street. Literally. We don't sell ice cream from this thing, but we do have some ice cold treats coming your way. If you're a fan of amazing moves and grooves to get your heart pounding, you're in the right place. Today in the crew, we got Sherwin getting it in. Yeah, Dicky Dave, Ash the Radical, Yet the Jet, and of course, Soul Rock with the Pop. My name is DJ Mellow Yellow, the type of fellow to be like, oh yeah. Excuse me, one second. Yo, hello. Later we'll bang on that drum. But I got one better, boy. We'll rock the crowd till they get loud. So people, make some noise! Nice. I didn't think that was perfect. That was really good. All right. So, obviously, we're here to have a lot of fun, and we want to have it with you. If you guys are ready, let me hear you say, yeah! Some songs that makes you do this. Okay, you know what? I'm feeling the energy, but I can't tell who's stronger. So let's have a little test. We're going to do ladies versus the men. So when I scream from your side, I need you to make some noise, okay? Let's try ladies first. Ladies, make some noise! That was a little sad. It was like we were watching The Notebook. Okay, let's try. Men, make some noise! Yeah, no, that wasn't good either. I don't know what's happening right now. Okay, ladies, make some noise! Yeah, that's it. Yeah, it's like a Beyonce concert, right? I'm a single lady. No? Okay, just me. How about this? Dudes, make some noise! It's like, I don't know, it's like the worst Fast and Furious video. Maybe they are sleepy. Okay, how about this? This is for everybody. Singapore, make some noise! All right, stop. Enough torture. Okay, I need you guys to help. We're gonna check your rhythm and flow before we go on with the show. This is real simple, real easy. I need you to clap your hands, but wait. We're gonna show you how to do it. We need you to repeat after Yet. You wanna show? Are you sure? All right, just clap your hands, repeat after Yet. Do the thing, man. Clap.